You see that dude right there? That's me, Izzy Battres. I cut my teeth for years working construction on million-dollar beach houses. This is my big bro, Rudy, and as they say in the neighborhood, Root Dog. Our pops taught us everything we know. That's how we got here. And now we run our own business, renovating and designing homes in our hometown, Santa Ana. We're taking all the secrets we learned on those luxury homes and bringing it to people on a relatable budget.
Come on! Just looks so stunning. Whose house are we at?
I mean, the whole family's part of the business. My wife, my son, my daughter, and all their cousins. We can give each other a hard time. If you got any questions,
Just Google it.
no, don't Google it. But we'll give it all we got to give you the home of your dreams.
Meet me downtown where we do it right. Oh, meet me downtown tonight.
Attitude makes a better day. Like my yoga instructor, Izzy, tell yourself you're amazing.
We met 13 years ago at church.
I
Funny
played
story.
Jesus on the Easter drama. And once she seen me in that diaper up on the cross, it was over.
He
Once
was
she seen the
glistening.
gun.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, eventually we tied the knot and I became a stepfather to Lily's kids, Joseph and Brianna. Huge change, instant dad. After Lily and I got married, she joined the company as our designer.
Wednesday, we have the meeting with Alex for the flooring.
Throughout my years in working with high-end designers and architects in that multi-million-dollar market, what I discovered is I have all these set of skills, I have wealth of experience, and I could literally do the exact same thing they're doing without that multi-million-dollar price tag. So I decided to start my own design build company with my brother Rudy. Did you hear me tossing and turning last night? That was Balboa. It's challenging working with family, and it's not just my immediate family, it's extended family. I got cousins, nieces, nephews. Over half the company is my family. Buenos dias, buenos dias, buenos dias. It's a lot of pressure. Good morning.
Good morning.
I think about all my family members and their livelihoods and their children's livelihoods and how dependent it is upon Battres' success. How's everybody doing today?
Morning,
Good.
everybody.
How's the weekend?
It was good.
Bro, you look good. That haircut looks good. Breathe. Ben, who is married to my daughter, Brianna, and he takes care of our accounting. Where are we at on Balboa?
Well, we're a little behind, but we're getting there.
My brother, Rudy, that's Rude Dog.
Rude Dog was a name that was given to me many years ago. But yeah, that's just, my personality. Very strong, very direct, too direct in many ways, my wife says. We're pushing. We're pushing.
Balboa project is very different. We're building it from the ground up, and we're gonna put it on the market.
We'll
when
get
do
there.
we have to get that on the market, Brandy?
June.
June. So talk to your hubby, put some fire in him.
Hustle, hustle.
Hey, we got it. Don't worry about it. We got this
Okay.
under control.
Hey, morning.
I brought donuts for everybody.
I didn't even think you were gonna show up.
Here I am. My job is delivery driver, demolition. I'm a good little errand boy.
Where are we at on leads?
We got several of them, so we're good on that. And actually, a lot of them are coming from social media.
My daughter Brianna handles the marketing. Marketing today is so different. I don't get it. When I started the company, it was door to door with a flyer in hand. I'm like, what is she doing over there? But the leads are coming in, so
That's all
just
that matters.
whatever you're doing back there. Great job, Bri.
Thanks, appreciate it. Seriously, he has no idea.
Brianna, she's sassy like her mom sometimes.
And we just got another client. I'm gonna go talk to the clients right after this.
Okay.
Very busy month. Smile, great attitude. Couldn't do it without you guys.
All right.
Back to work.
All right.
Ooh, jelly. How do I describe my family? Rude but excellent, sweet but crazy, artistic but sarcastic, antisocial, social media director.
It's an oxymoron. We don't talk about it.
My parents migrated here and they met here in Santa Ana. I'm homegrown. Rudy and I learned the trades. Working alongside my dad, I felt like I had to earn my stripes coming up the ranks. I've actually had my hands touch every trade in the residential process. Nothing's gonna be given to you, and you gotta scrap for it. My father drove that into our DNA, and that work ethic has been one of the building blocks for Battres. With new clients, our process is I do the client meetings on my own. I've done hundreds of renovations, and I could pretty much look at the house, the layouts, and the structure, and see if it's gonna be a good fit for us.
Yes.
Hi, Izzy Battres.
Hi, Joshua. We have been in the house for 24 years. Yeah.
Seems crazy. We have raised 4 children here. Now it's time to focus on us and bring this home to life again.
Yeah.
Our priority is really relocating the kitchen. But really, if we could remodel it completely, bathrooms in the living room and everything, and afford it, that would be awesome.
For me, if we can get the primary bathroom,
That would be a miracle.
that would be great. We've just been saving and saving.
What kind of savings are we working with?
170 tops. It's been some time to gather those finances together.
Let me hear your guys' vision and just give me big pictures through the house.
We really want to knock this wall down, and we're hoping to have the kitchen actually located over there.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
You guys still do a lot of entertaining?
We do. This is the happening place. This is the joint.
Okay.
But I'm so separated in the kitchen from everyone. This is their little kitchen.
It's crowded in here.
Yeah. Yeah.
You've been making it work, though.
Yes.
Yeah.
You've been here in this kitchen isolated. Now you just want to break free.
Exactly.
Like, I need my kitchen on the other side of the house.
If possible, yes.
Okay. All
yes.
right.
Yeah, that's,
Yeah.
Yeah, so the kitchen is definitely her big want. I wanted at least to have an ensuite restroom.
Can we take a look really quick?
Sure.
Sure. Right now we have 1.5 bathrooms.
Yes. Okay.
One shower.
Yeah, and 1 shower.
Yeah.
I can see why you want the addition.
Oh, yeah.
So I was thinking as far as in whether we could go out possibly. We've had several contractors who's come through here. The cost is astronomical.
Yeah.
I'm almost at a point where it's just like, you know what, we're not gonna do anything at all. You know?
Oh, wait, don't lose hope. I feel that the right layout is not putting the kitchen here where you wanted it, Veronica.
Okay.
And here's why. You're gonna need 2 feet of cabinets, and then your island, another 4 feet. So now, your island will be right here. And look how close it is to that fireplace. All these walls are gone. We can open up the kitchen and put you in the middle of the action like you want. We could give you a huge island that creates a social concept and not have to move all the plumbing and gas lines. If we flip the rooms, kitchen over here, that's a lot of cost. And we could invest it into your bathrooms. I think we can extend this wall out, absorb this hallway, get rid of that modest powder room, and give you a full bath. Then give you a full ensuite using the same footprint without adding an addition.
Okay.
Yeah, I gotta see it. I mean, we haven't had anyone who's come to us with that type of an option.
They think they might need to move the kitchen. Moving a kitchen is a lot of money. Once I hear the why and the purpose behind it, I'm able to translate that and give them what they need. So oftentimes they don't know what they need. They know what they want, but they don't know what they need. I feel that we could give you your kitchen and you deserve an ensuite. So design is gonna evoke a lot of feeling. So can you give me a little bit of sense of what you guys are thinking of?
I'm Mexican and I love my heritage. I think it's important to have some color, something that's very natural.
Something that has a touch of almost a Moroccan feel to it. Nothing too modern in its look.
Definitely more traditional.
Yeah.
We want to have a house that represents us both.
We have a huge opportunity with this fireplace. Give you that high-end hacienda look. We want to make sure that when they open up that front door, they're going to see a floor-to-ceiling fireplace. So we're going to fur this out. We're going to have a nice clean taper on the sides, and then adorn it with the beautiful reclaimed mantle.
Okay.
Very inexpensive, What I've learned working on high-end homes is that expensive-looking designs don't have to be expensive.
Ooh.
Am I speaking your language now?
I like that. Yeah.